just having a little chill evening, thought I would do a little bit of DIYing, and I'm gonna be turning this red beret that I've got had and worn for a very long time. I think I've had this hat about 2 years maybe. And I'm going to be turning it into a little apple, as I'm very excited for the new Animal Crossing game to come out. So I thought I would do a little thing, make it into an apple so I can wear it. One of the first things that you're going to need for this is a little embroidery kit set and some felt and a hat. You're going to want some brown thread to make the stalk and some a green thread which is a little different in shade to the one on the felt. So either like a light green might work or a little bit more muted green, but I'm going to use this light green today. So first of all, you want to look at your hat. You want to think about how big you want the little leaf to be. I'm thinking not too big, probably about this big. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of the felt off. I'm gonna use the felt tip that I've got. I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm gonna draw out my pattern like this. I want it to be double-sided because then the leaf's a bit thicker. Straw, basic leaf. Drawn, that looks about right. And then just cut out the little leaf. It folds out and it should look a little bit like this. And that would also be cute, like if you wanted to stick it like that, but I only want one leaf, so I'm going to fold it over so you can't see where my original pen lines were. And now I'm gonna do a little stitch around it so it stays together, and then do a little line of detailing down the middle so it looks more like a leaf. I'm going to get my thread now and begin. You're going to want, because this is quite thick thread, and in this little purse here have a few handy tools, but I'm going to be using this today to thread it. I'll link down below where I got my kit from. Just put this through the needle, stick the thread through, and then pull it a little bit. Pull the thread back through the needle. I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to join it at the end. I want it doubled up because then we get as thick of a thread as we possibly can. So I'm going to start by threading this from underneath here. There we are. So this is going to be part of where it's going to go up here. Look at where I want it to end. Stick it through. And then on the other side, I'm going to repeat the same process. See, this will probably be the top side because it's a little bit longer, and when it's here, it will show better. So I'm going to start stitching the edges together. And we're going to start by pulling a freshly threaded needle through here so that the knot is on the inside again. And then we're going to sew over. This is what this side's looking like at the moment. And then we're going to go around this way now. There we go. Looking quite leafy, and it will look cute when it is on the hat. I think that's quite cute. Trim this and tie it off. So my leaf looks like this. I'm going to leave that for now, and then we're going to move on to the stalk, which is going to be all on this part. We're going to start from inside of the hat, and you want to find where the stalk starts. So I'm going to go up here and pull it through, and I'm going to work my way like up and down. And then you want to bring this back, choose where you want it to go. So I'm going to sew it this way, and then I'm going to stitch it through the hat, and then back, up, pull through, pull it tight, and it should look like this. So I'm going to trim, and then tie it with the ones at the underneath, trim off any excess threads, and there we go. Apple hat.